Is it okay? I don't know whether you guys can see me. Well, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Rafi and welcome to Rafi's vlog. If you're a returning viewer or returning subscriber, welcome back. So I think I'm just gonna be here and I want to say thank you for always staying tuned to my YouTube videos and always taking your time to comment and like my videos and also share. It really means a lot, you guys. So I wanted to be, I think you can see me, but I cannot also see myself. Like, okay then, you know I am short-sighted, so I cannot see. Use basically my glasses. Yeah, so I don't like this shit. Anyway, I don't like it. Anyway, so you can see my hair, so I'm just gonna let you know who did my hair. So, just in a moment. I have to remove it. Who did my hair? You know I can flip. I like this. So, my hair was done by my friend Marcy. As you all know, Marcy is my best friend. We have been friends for almost like 7 to 8 years. She has always been visiting Germany, and for the very first time, her daughter was given this opportunity to explore the world. Like, you guys, how many of you have even explored the world when you're 11 years? The first time she had made my hair, I loved this style, and this just literally defines me. I am super dramatic, I'm super amazing. Like, basically it's the way it is. I don't know what's wrong with this triple stand. Why if I stand like this, like it's just a moment. Yeah, so basically, yes, I think I'm growing taller. So yeah, she made my hair and she really did it. Like, look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. And as you all know that I have dreadlocks, so she was able to conceal the dreadlocks. So basically you don't know the difference between my hair and dreadlocks. So basically this is just the way the hair is. And look at you guys. I love it. Like, the hair is amazing and it has some beads. I really love the beads because it kind of defines who I am. As I had told you earlier, I am very dramatic. So basically it gives the drama to the hair and everything. I've gotten a lot of compliments from police officers, going back from a lot of people when I walk on the street. A lot of people stop me by and just telling me Shuna's hair, Shuna's hair. So as you guys know, Shuna's hair means beautiful hair. Basically, look at it. Look at it. And if you're an African native or someone who loves African hair and wants to be done African hair here in Germany, Marcy comes every once in a year to Germany, and I can hook you up or I can connect you up to her so that she can make your hair. I'm gonna put her Instagram handle just below here so that you can be able to get in touch with her. I cannot put her private numbers because of security purposes. As you guys have been going to vacations in summer, I have been really working hard and I have been running up and down with a lot of things. Basically, I haven't had vacation and Thomas hasn't had vacation yet. We always save the best for the last. So our vacation is basically in 9 days. 9 days, not even 9, 8 days. We don't count this day. 8 days, and I am going to Greece. We are beginning our vacation in Athens, then we go to Naxos, then we go to Ikaria, then we end with Creta, and it's gonna take almost 3 weeks. I'm super excited, guys. Like, this Germany has been stressing us. Like, let's go, but let's just get out of here. I've been sleeping with a sleeping cape, and I'm gonna show you right in a bit. Someone recommended to me that I should shop at Shine. Like Shine Express. I had to make it express because we just have a few days, then we leave. This is carrying all my summer clothes during my holidays, basically. Like, I'm super excited. As you can all see, I have not opened it yet. I know what is it. I just want you guys to be a surprise, and Thomas is not here to review my clothes for summer, but I will do a show for him, private show, when he comes back from work. Stay tuned. Let me go and do this here. Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Together with my hair, and yeah, you see, I look really nice. So off to my next one. Guys, you want to see my outfit? Do you really want to see my reveal? I can see you guys. Wait.